Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel iNet Tech Talk. In today's session, we are going to dive into a common issue faced by TCL LCD TVs with 4K resolution. Many users have reported problems where the TV fails to detect available Wi-Fi networks, or in some cases, the Wi-Fi adapter doesn't switch on at all. As you can see here, the device is unable to connect, leaving users frustrated when trying to access streaming services or online features. We'll walk through the possible causes behind this issue, explore troubleshooting steps, and discuss practical solutions to get your TCL TV back online. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video you'll have a clear idea of how to tackle this connectivity problem effectively. Remove the back cover carefully. Remove all the screws using a star-type screwdriver. Before proceeding, I must warn and encourage viewers to follow company policy to retain warranty. Unauthorized self-repair may void the warranty. This channel does not encourage self-repair on products covered under warranty. This channel is not responsible for defects caused by improper self-repair. The method shown usually resolves the issue, but if the adapter or motherboard is damaged, the process of repair shown here will fail to resolve the issue. Here we have the Wi-Fi adapter, which is connected to the antenna and linked to the main board through a wire strip. Now, don't try to pull it out directly. First, release the pressure plastic plate that holds the wire strip in place, as I am showing here. Once that's done, carefully remove the antenna wire and inspect the Wi-Fi adapter for any visible defects. Give it a gentle cleaning. Next, detach the wire strip from the main board. And clean it using isopropyl rubbing alcohol, which you can easily find at any medical store. After proper cleaning, reconnect the wire strip back to both the Wi-Fi adapter and the main board. Take your time here, make sure all connections are secure before powering the TV. Also, don't forget to reconnect the speaker wires attached to the back cover and the antenna wire to the main board. Once everything is in place, plug in the power cord and switch on the TV. You'll notice that the Wi-Fi adapter now powers on correctly when using the remote. Finally, let's play a channel to confirm the connection, and there you go, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it's completely free. Stay tuned for more DIY tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides right here on iNet Tech Talk. See you in the next video.